10 powerful ways to attract what you truly want in life. Intro. Ask them to subscribe. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video was created to help you take control of your life, stop drifting without direction, and start attracting the things you truly want, not by luck, but by intention and action. Let's get started. 1. Most people don't know what they really want in life. Here's a hard truth. If you ask most people what they truly want in life, they won't be able to answer clearly. They complain about what they don't have, but they never define what they do want. And when you're unclear, life gives you random results. Clarity is power. If you don't decide what you want, you end up accepting whatever shows up. 2. Everything starts with clear intent. Attraction doesn't begin with wishing, it begins with clarity. You must clearly define what you want in different areas of your life: money, health, relationships, skills, lifestyle. Be specific, not "I want more money," but "I want to earn this exact amount within this time frame." When your mind is clear, your actions become focused. 3. Focus on what you want, not on what you lack. Most people send the wrong signal to life. They constantly focus on what they don't have, what's going wrong, what's missing. And life responds by giving them more lack. Whatever you focus on grows. If you constantly focus on problems, you attract more problems. Shift your focus to possibilities, solutions, and desired outcomes. 4. Eliminate what you don't want. Attraction is not only about adding things, it's also about removing distractions. Ask yourself, what activities drain my energy? What situations make me unhappy? What habits keep me stuck? Time and energy are limited. When you keep investing them in things you don't want, you block space for what you truly desire. Letting go is a form of progress. 5. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is one of the strongest forces for attraction. It sends a powerful message: I appreciate what I already have. And appreciation multiplies results. Be grateful for your income, your health, your opportunities, the people in your life. Gratitude doesn't make you complacent, it makes you grounded and focused. Write down 3 things every day that you're genuinely grateful for. 6. Take action every single day. Attraction without action is just fantasy. You don't win the lottery by hoping, you buy a ticket. You don't improve your health by wishing, you change habits. Once you're clear on what you want, create a simple plan. Break it into daily actions, weekly goals, and monthly milestones. Action sends a powerful signal: I'm serious, and life responds to seriousness. 7. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Your thoughts shape your reality. Negative self-talk sends negative signals. When you catch yourself thinking, I'm not good enough, I can't do this, replace it with, I am capable, I am improving, I am confident. Positive affirmations retrain your mind. Say them daily. Repeat them with emotion. Your subconscious listens, even when you don't notice. 8. Invest in your personal development. Attraction is not just about getting things, it's about becoming the person who can handle them. If you want more confidence, develop confidence. Money, develop skills. Opportunities, expand your mindset. Growth attracts growth. Read, learn, practice. Personal development sends a clear signal: I'm ready for more. 9. Say yes to opportunities. Opportunities often arrive disguised as discomfort. Most people say no because of fear or laziness, but one small opportunity can change everything. Say yes more often. Explore. Ask questions. Take calculated risks. You don't need every opportunity, just the right one. 10. Be persistent and believe deeply. Nothing meaningful happens instantly. Persistence is what separates success from regret. You will face delays, mistakes, doubts. That's normal. What matters is not perfection, it's persistence. Visualize your goals. Feel them as real. Believe deeply that they are possible. Belief fuels consistency. Consistency creates results. Final message. You are not here to drift. You are not here to live randomly. You are not here to settle and wait. You are here to decide, to act, and to build the life you truly want. Attraction is not magic. It's clarity plus mindset plus action. Start today. Intro. Ask them to subscribe. If this video helped you see your life differently, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos about mindset, attraction, and building the life you actually want, not the life you're handed. Thanks for watching, and remember, what you focus on is what you attract.